Welcome to my channel Sara Art and Design. Subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for the further videos notification. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Sara Art and Design. Today in this video I'm going to show you very creative and beautiful sleeve design which you can carry any kind of a kurti, any kind of a dress, any kind of a top. So it's a very beautiful and creative. So if you like it, then please like my video and share my video with your friends and family and relatives. Or if you have not subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe button. And so let's get started. For the sleeve design, I'm taking normal sleeve pattern. Firstly, I have to cut the sleeve in a normal way, and here's my sleeve length is till my elbow length, and it's up to you. You can extend it or decreases it. And from here, from the top, ready sleeve length is 11 inch, and I am taking 1 inch extra for the seam allowance for top and the bottom. And from the folded portion, it would be 5 inch and 2 inch for the extra fabric. It's a marginal fabric over here, and from the top we will mark 7 inch for the shoulder and match these 2 points. After matching these 2 points, our sleeve is ready to cut. And now for the design, I am taking a square fabric. Its length and height would be 10 by 10, and I'm taking ½ inch extra for seam allowances. ½ inch extra for the seam allowance. We have to add it over here. And now for the design, I'm taking the contrast fabric. We are taking 4 pieces over here, 2 pieces for shirt and 2 are for contrast fabric. So I'm taking these shirts fabric first and cut it out. First of all, make a triangle. It would be look like this, and now we will place around our sleeve. We have to place it like that. So our open side should be the front side, and our folded side would be on the sleeves back side, where the sleeves stitching side. So it would be look like this. We have to match the 5 inch point from the front. We have to do the stitch over here. Now first of all, straight the fabric and settle it down. Now it would be look like this. So you have to remember the open sided would be on front side and the folded side will be on back side. So ready length would be 15 inch. If you want to extend, you can make a big square and cut it according to your choice. Now I'm going to mark over here. And adding ½ inch for the seam and cut it out. So it would be look like this. We have to place over here, and its measurement would be the same as your bottom, and ready sleeve would be in this way. For the stitching, now we are going to finish the sleeve fitting seam. First of all, we have to stitch the fitted seam. After making the fitted seam, so cut the extra threads over here. Now we are going to ready our design. We have to cut the contrast fabric according to our design we have already done on the same fabric. Place the right side of the fabric and right side of contrast fabric facing right to right towards, and wrong side faces on your side, and make a stitch all around the box. Start from first and then make a stitch on a side. We are not going to stitch the joining part of the design. Take only 1/4 inch margin and sew it. Settle the fabric and then make a stitch on it. After finishing the stitch, in the end we have to lock the stitch over here. After locking the stitch, cut the extra threads. Lock from another side. Now we have to cut the corners. Cut it out for the better finishing and cut the extra fabric. It's up to you want to cut it out or not. Now fold the fabric to the right side. Make the corners folded first. And it would be look like this. Now I'm going to iron it. After ironing, it's looking like this, and from our upper part we are going to stitch it. We are facing the shirts side upwards and going to stitch it out, and in the center we are placing the seam side of the sleeve. This is our seam side. We have to place in the center of the design and attached over here. Place the center part of the design and seam side of the sleeve. make a stitch. It's very easy to make and very simple, but looks very beautiful. Leave 1/4 inch margin over here and stitch it out. We have to stitch like our sleeves when we join with the shoulder. It's the same process where our design is finished. You have to lock it out. Now stitching from the another side. Be very careful when you are stitching it. Settle out the fabric little by little. And it's a very, if you are very patient then you can do it. Otherwise it not look so pretty if you're doing in a very hurry and in very effortless way. So it's ready. It would be look like this. So after doing this, it's our final look over here. Now for the final thing, you can attach lace over here, or as you, it's totally up to you. You can attach any lace, any beads, any buttons, whatever you want. After attaching, before attaching anything, make a last stitch. It's a finished stitch over it to give a finished look. No need to stretch the fabric over here and no need to stretch the sleeve over here. Just settle it out and make a stitch. So it's done. Now cut the extra threads. And it's look very beautiful, very finished. For this fabric you can interlock it. So it's a side look of my sleeve. And so guys, it's a finished look of my sleeve. It would be look like this, and this is our sleeve part and this is our design part for the over here. And I'm placing a bow. You can place a button, you can place a latkan, you can place any lace over it. It looks very beautiful. Bow enhances its beauty and it's very creative. I love this sleeve very much. So it's a side part of my sleeve and it's look very pretty, very elegant. So my sleeve is ready. Hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, then give a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel for my new and upcoming videos related to the stitching. Thank you so much guys for watching my videos. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.